like to start with Campania, the region. As you know, the peninsula of Italy is basically a contiguous vineyard, but it is broken into 20 regions, and a lot of our customers are not that familiar with Campania. So perhaps just a little bit on the history and background of that region and what makes it so unique.
Campania is probably the region, or one of the two regions where viticulture started in Italy. Over between 2 and 3 millennia ago, brought by the Greek people. So there is this incredible history. And what makes unique Campania, it's a combination of course, this history that left us unique indigenous varietal on one side, and then the soils and the climate that are quite unique. Soils are all of volcanic origin. Everybody knows about the Vesuvio eruption, but there were many other volcanoes that erupted and created different levels and layers of volcanic soils. And the third thing, as I said, is climate. We have in our area, which is inland from the coast, we have over 200, 220 days of rain per year, with big temperature gap between days and night, which brings great freshness in our wines.
Tell us a little bit about geographically where Campania is located.
I should have started with that.
That's okay, we can look at a map, but just where, are you below Rome?
Yeah, we are 250 kilometers below Rome. Naples is the capital, let's say, of Campania. So it's the biggest city, which is by the coast. But the regions develop, of course, on the coast, but also in the central part, inland. And in the part where we are enclosed by mountains that go up to 2,000, 2,200 meters altitude, so quite high. And all our vineyards are between 400 and 700, 750 meters, which is a good altitude, in particular, again, to enhance the characteristics of the native varietals that we grow. In Campania, you have two sub-regions that are famous for wines. You mentioned them. One is Irpinia, one is Sannio. Interestingly, the varietals never overlap. So you have a varietal for each region and sub-region, which is again, in a way, the clear explanation of why we have such an history and what this history brought us, that the varietal were selected for specific soils to fit better. So in Sannio, you have Falanghina. Sannio is so white and also San Maglianico. Sannio is characterized by hills between 400 and 600, 700 meters, volcanic soils, but of a very old origin. In Irpinia, you have higher altitude. You go up to 2,000 meters, and you have more recent volcanic soils. Irpinia should be divided itself into 3 sub-regions. So one is for Greco di Tufo, the other one is for Fiano di Avellino, and the other one is Taurasi. These 3 have 3 DOCG, and there is no province in Italy that enjoys 3 DOCG. And these 3 regions have also, again, different characteristics, in particular in terms of soils, from chalky to volcanic sand.